Welcome to Core Java tutorial. Now we are going to see another important keyword, namely this. So this refers the current object. So there are 6 places in which we can use this keyword. So first, to refer the member variable of the current class, and the second, to invoke the current class method, and third, to invoke the constructor of the current class, and this can also be passed as an argument. Moreover, it is used to return the current object. So that is a return of this. So these are all the 6 places in which we can use this keyword. So in this first example, so square is the superclass. So now we are going to define a member variable int n. So another method, square val. So for the square val we are passing an integer value. So now this n is a member variable or instance variable of the square class, whereas x is the parameter. So note it down, there are two different names for the member variable and the parameter. So now we can assign the value of this parameter x into this member variable n by using this assignment statement n equal to x. So now this square val returns an integer value by using this return statement. So see this super class square, so which consists of a member variable n and method square value. So now we are going to inherit a subclass, so which is test. So inside this test, now we are going to define the main method, right? So inside this main method, so now we are going to create object for which class? Yes, for test. So test object name is t equal to new followed by default constructor. So now we are going to display the value of square by using the system.out.println method. So how to invoke the square val method? Yes, by using this object t. So t dot square val of, so you can pass any integer value here. So 5. So what will happen? This 5 will be assigned to this n, so which returns n star n, so that is 25. So the output is 25. So note it down, here we are using different names for this member variable and this parameter x. So see another example. So here we are using same name for both member variable and the parameter. So here the member variable name is n, whereas the parameter name is also n. So in this case, we must use this keyword this. So this dot n, so which refers what? This member variable of the class. So whereas what is this n? So this n refers this parameter. So this is the place in which we can use this pointer. So this is case 1. So whenever we are using same name for member variable and the parameter, so here we can refer the member variable by using this keyword. So see this output. So initially we are compiling by using Java C compiler, and this we are interpreting this test class. Now what will be the output? 25. So the output will be same whether we are using this or no this keyword. Okay. So see another example. So this is case 2. Here by using this keyword we are going to invoke member method. So see this cube class. So here there are two methods. So one is square value. So this square value is going to return the square of the given number n. So here n is the parameter. So by simply giving n star n, we can retrieve the square value, right? So see the cube value method. So cube value. So for this cube value also we are passing a number. So now inside this cube value function, we are going to invoke the square value function. So for this, we are using the keyword this. So this refers what? Method of the current class. So inside one member method, another member method can be invoked by using this keyword. Then as usual, within this subclass test, we are going to define our main method. Then within main method, so create an object for which class? Yes, for this test. Test is the class name, T is object name, equal to new followed by a default constructor. So now we are going to print the cube value by using this system.out.println method. So here how can you invoke the cube val? Yes, with the help of the object T. So T dot cube val of 5. So which invokes this method. So again in turn this dot square val invokes this square val method. So which returns 25. So now the value 25 is multiplied with again 5. So that is the cube value 125. So this is the output. A small recap. So far we discussed about two cases in which we used this. So first, this keyword used to refer the member variable of the class when we are using the same name for the member variable and the parameter. Whereas in case 2, this keyword is used to invoke the method of the current class